Here we will explore the situation how to feed the flat file reader by the edge. Situation number 1, if we have the whole file in the incoming edge, let me quickly drag and drop the customer metadata. We need to go to the file URL, port, select the field inside of which content of the file will arrive, and here chose the discrete option, where we consider as content to be the whole file. The second situation is when the file will arrive in the chunks. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. In that case, port part of the file, and it's going as a stream. In that case, the reader will behave as the file will arrive split between the multiple records. Okay, so the stream. Okay, and the last option is if we don't have the content of the file on the edge at all, but Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, what we have is actually the URL of the file. So port, URL, source. Let's check the result. It should be the same for all of them, 5071 records, but here we can see that the whole file arrived in the edge, it was parsed. Here the file was chunked in the size of the 2048 bytes, so simply by 2 kilobytes, and split into the 302 records. This way you can transport even the huge files through the edge, which has like the normal maximum limit 32 megabytes, which you can change in the configuration of the server. And the last option is that we use the list file component to get the URL of the file and a couple of more informations, but we are using the file URL to provide it to the reader and just read the input file. So that's it. 3 options: discrete, sort, stream, how you can feed the flat file reader or actually any other reader as well by the edge.